Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Investors are closely watching events in Israel as a geopolitical risk to markets, with some expectation the violence could prompt a move into safe haven assets like gold. The Shanghai Stock Exchange said it will probe Zhejiang King Co. after the Chinese maker of air conditioners halted its initial public offering amid media reports about alleged issues such as the overpricing of shares. China's foreign exchange reserves fell more than expected in September, official data showed, as the US dollar rose against other major currencies.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's industrial production will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. Japan's trade balance at 2350 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT. Singapore's foreign reserves at 0900 hours GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.